Alright guys, good day everyone. I greet you all and I welcome you all to this week video. Today is Saturday. I'm done for the week. So this week I didn't do much. I took a total of 2 trades this week, and unfortunately for me the 2 trades were losses. Yesterday I saw a good trade, but the trade didn't trigger me. A buy on gold and a buy on Euro USD, but none of them triggered me. But it's okay. It's okay. We keep moving. Keep moving. The most important thing is that we are doing our best. We are getting better, studying, learning from our mistakes. But honestly, trading is not easy. Trading is not easy. For the first time since my trading career, I've ever sit down and think about giving up on trading, even though the thoughts did not last that long on my mind. But I thought about it for the first time in my trading career. Trading hasn't been easy for me at all. But I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up on this scale. I'm not giving up no matter what. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I know that the results are slow now. But as long as we keep putting in the work, keep doing our best, keep showing up every day, I know that one day, I'm going to be there. So, if it's your first time coming across this my YouTube channel, please do well to like and subscribe. And I want to apologize to you guys. We are still working in this compound. So, as you can see, there might be noises on the background. There are workers everywhere. They are fixing 102. It's been just about 2 weeks now. So I beg you guys for the noise that you might be hearing on my background. I'm so sorry about that. So let's dive into my system so I can show you the trade I took this week. Alright guys, so where do I see this? Because I was doing some studies yesterday night and I wiped out my charts. My charts. Okay, let me go to my daily forecast. I think all the trade will be there. Daily forecast. So this is Thursday. I take my first trade on Tuesday. I think, yeah, Euro USD. Yes, I took this trade. Yeah, this is my first trade for the week, and it was a loss. You can see this trade. This is from higher time frame. You can see where my POI is coming from. I was expecting this demand to hold price. It's a very nice demand, but when price came there, it tried to push up, but then the demand failed. So I just mapped out my supply there, and I just needed an inducement, to sell to this low. So coming down to my medium time frame, you can see how I map out my expectation. This is what I'm anticipating. So I just need to see an inducement, and my sell will be confirmed. And price came, give me that inducement, and then came back, mitigates me. And this stop loss, this trade hit my SL by 1 o'clock in the midnight. I was supposed to show you guys this trade on the chart, but I've already deleted the trade from the chart. So hit my SL by 1 o'clock, and the following morning the trade hit TP. So on Thursday, I just try to locate. On Thursday, on Wednesday, I mean, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Euro USD. Yeah, on Wednesday, I didn't take any trade on Wednesday. Okay, I think this is the trade. Let me just check my there was no trade on Wednesday, but there was a setup I saw on Wednesday. But I didn't take it because that point of interest was on Asian high. It was a sell. I set the pending order, and then after analyzing that, I don't like putting my stop loss at Asian high or low. It's just like putting your stop loss on liquidity, so I canceled that trade. But at the end of the day, the trade triggered me and went straight to TP. But I didn't even think about it, because there is no way I'm taking that trade. I can't take that kind of trade, no matter how beautiful it looks. Okay, yeah, this is the trade. Let me show you guys. This is the trade. Guys, so this is the first trade on Tuesday. You can see immediately this trade stopped me out, start pulling back. So on Wednesday, I spotted this setup. Like I told you guys, this candle that stopped me out is 1 o'clock candle. So this is Asian high. You understand? So when I analyze this trade and set my pending order, when I check and find out that this is Asian high, because I was trying to, when I check, let me see when this trade stopped me out. That was when I found out that this candle is 1 o'clock candle. So and I said this is definitely Asian high. So when I turn on my session demarcation and I find out that this is Asian high, that was why I canceled this trade on Wednesday. So the trade come, you can see, trade come, trigger me, and then went straight to TP. But I didn't take the trade that Wednesday. Then on Thursday, I took this trade. This is my analysis on Thursday. Everything was complete. This is the medium time frame. This is my higher time frame analysis. I was looking for a sell to come and take out this remaining low here. Tap into this fair value gap before we can start pushing to the upside. That was my anticipation. This is what I was just looking at, my lower time frame to take this sell. You can see this sell here. So last the market came, trigger me. You can see when the market trigger me, drop, and then again went up again to stop me out on a loss. So this is the 2 loss I took for this week. This is the 2 losses. I will flog you. I think I had a setup on Thursday. Yeah. Okay, this on Thursday, but I didn't take this setup because Euro USD already triggered me. Euro USD triggered me first, and you can see the gold trade also hit SL. You can see this is the 2 setup I had on Thursday. Euro USD triggered first, and then hit SL. Gold is still on that this thing. I think it was on that my stop loss area throughout that what is it called, Thursday. So this is the only trade I took for this week. Then on Friday, I spotted this setup. You can see everything was intact for me. Everything was intact. But I just wanted this trade to trigger me before taking out this high. I could have taken this trade because it's a nice setup for me. It took out liquidity, from the sell side, then took out this buy liquidity, gave me another sell side liquidity, and then push up. So I was waiting for this second push to just trigger me, but it did not trigger me. Instead, it went up to take out this high, and immediately it take out that high, I just canceled the trade. So the market letter came back, stopped me out. The projection is already complete, because I know that if this market take out this high and is not able to take out this one at once and come back, it's going to use this low as a liquidity to tap into something before continue to go outside. So that is all that happened this week, and this is the two trades I took Tuesday and Thursday. And both of them are losses. Now let me show you guys my account. My account is currently on 5.5%. So now I'm down 3.5%, I think, because I was down 1% last week and I took 2 losses this week. But all the extra dollars that is on top, and like I told you guys, I'm taking this trade on Euro USD. The lot size is big, so the commission is more higher. So now I'm down, let's say I'm down 4% or 3.5%. So we'll come back next week and we'll continue our thing. And this is new month. That reminds me, I'm wishing you guys happy new month. I pray and believe that this month will be a better month for us. Even though April was excellent, April was good. Honestly, April was good. But this month, this May, will be better. That is all. And on my crypto PropFirm, I was able to finally pass that challenge. I passed that challenge and I got funded, but something happened. Crypto is not like Forex space. Their PropFirm is totally different from Forex pattern. So, and me being a Forex trader, sometimes I'm mistaking their pattern with Forex, so it's very hard for me to get along. Just like if you are watching this video and you have not traded crypto PropFirm before, you just bought an account, it will be very hard for you to get along. And this is my first crypto PropFirm, so mistakes are bound to happen, but I'm open for it. I passed that PropFirm and I got funded. Let me show you guys. So this is my dashboard. Let me go to certificates, so I will show you guys if it's still there. Yeah, it's still here. You can see this is my phase 1 passed. This is my phase 2 passed. You can see it here, completion passed, and I got funded. But on getting funded, I know about this rule that about lot size, but I was mistaking it to how much you are risking. I've taken 2 trades. I wanted to apply the same rules I use on my Forex space to it. So on me getting funded, I wanted to reduce my risk to 0.5% instead of 1%. So reducing my risk to 0.5%, I've taken 2 trades already, and I lost 25 So I wanted to take another trade on SAUT USD, and the highest leverage is 75x. I wanted to risk my $25, but then risking 1% and putting my leverage at 75x was only giving me like $8 risk. So I increased my risk to 4%, and that made my account to be exposed. When I increased it to 4%, it now gives me the risk of $25. So definitely on that trade, if that trade hits stop loss, I'm going to lose $25. But increasing that leverage to 75 and increasing my risk to 4% has exposed my account to a huge risk, and this prop firm do not calculate based on your risk, they calculate based on your lot size. Using that 4% risk, I was risking ×2 of my account, as my lot size is higher than my account, and in their rules it is said that you should not risk more than S2 of your total account balance. Your account balance 5k. I cannot risk more than 2x of that 5k, which is 10,000. But when I increase this risk, my mind was not on that risk, that lot size, to know that it has increased above 10,000. It was 10,202. So I opened that trade. Immediately that trade triggered, they sent me a mail that this trade you open is above S2 of your account. Please kindly close this trade in the next 5 minutes, or we are going to automatically close it and your account will be closed, will be restricted. I received that email, but I didn't see that email until after. My mind was not even on the email, because I don't even know that that particular risk is against that rule. Let me show you guys from my system. Where's the email? Receive that email on mobile. Yeah, this is it. You can see this is the warning message: close within 5 minutes. Your account will be closed and restricted from trading. You see, this is 10,202, which is above my 2x of my account. You can see that trade on SAUT USDT. So this is how I lost the account, because I did not see the email. If I had seen that email, I would have closed that trade, but I didn't. So that was how I lost that account. The account was given to me on Wednesday, and I lost it on Thursday. But after reaching out to them, explaining how everything happened, they promised to give me another account. Because this mobile, I love this crypto trading prop firm. Honestly, I will keep trying them, to see if they are really what they say they are. If they are, then I'm going to be, getting a bigger account from them. So I will be waiting. They haven't given me the account yet, but I have to start from another evaluation challenge. So they promised to give me that 5k account, and then I will shoot another shot. So that is it for this week. I hope and pray that this month will be a better month for us. I'm wishing you guys a happy weekend and a profitable week ahead. Please, again, if it's your first time coming across this my YouTube channel, please do well to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.